Hello and welcome back to another video from Affiliate Marketing Money. Today we're going to talk about how to start a business in 2020. We have a business idea that might work for you, so stay tuned and check it out. We're going to get started right now. So by now you might have heard of affiliate marketing. If you haven't, I suggest you go watch one of our earlier videos to get a little bit more into the subject before you keep watching this video. But if you know about affiliate marketing, I'm going to summarize it real quick just so that we remember everything. Affiliate marketing is the process of selling someone else's products and making a commission on that sale. So Amazon Associates is one of the greatest examples of affiliate marketing. In Amazon Associates, you could promote their products, and if people go to Amazon and buy them, Amazon gives you a commission. So you make money every time Amazon sells a product through you. The way it works is that you get a personalized link, and so that link is the one that you use to paste on your post, and then people click on that link, and when people click on that link you get a commission. So basically you go into Amazon Associates, you sign up, you are going to be able to go into this page where all the products are. You're going to click here and then you can get a shorter version. You can copy and paste that, and then once you copy and paste that, you can go onto your social media page and then you can put it on your post and paste it. In this case we have this page here, tips and reviews. They are promoting this external hard drive, Seagate 12 terabytes for a good price. They have their own link, so if you click on that link, it'll send you to Amazon. If you buy that hard drive, they will make money on that sale. So that's as easy as it is. That's very easy. It's very simple. You just copy and paste the link, and every time someone buys a product, you make money. You don't have to invest in the product. This is totally free. You don't have to invest to get in. You don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is sign up for these pages because they want you to be selling stuff, and what better way than to not have to invest. Now what you will have to invest on is going to be on ads. This will increase your sales, right? So you want to invest on Facebook ads maybe, so that more people see these ads and find these products, and they're like, hey, that's a very good price for a 12 terabyte external hard drive, right? So I am gonna buy it. So people will buy it when they see it, right? If people don't see it, they're not gonna buy it. Another way to sell this is through YouTube, right? So you can find inspiration on other people and find a path through other people. In this case we have this guy here. His name is Bite My Bits, right? That's the name of his channel. Bite My Bits has quite a few views right there, right? And he talks about the exact same drive, right? So he has a link down in the description, and if we click on that link, I'm sure it's gonna send us to the same Amazon. It's not the exact same one, but it sends us to another hard drive sold on Amazon, right? So basically if I was to buy that hard drive, I would be giving him money in the form of a commission through Amazon, right? I don't spend any extra money. I don't get charged any extra. They just give him a commission for selling that to me through his YouTube video. Now sign up to as many marketplaces as possible. I suggest Clickbank as well. Clickbank is another very good marketplace. This is what it looks like. They have very many categories that you can pick from. This is arts and entertainment, right? And here we can see all of the products that are available. Now why is it good to sign up to as many marketplaces as possible? Because that way you will have many more options on products, and you can pick the products that you think you would sell the best and that you might know where to sell the best, and then you can take those products and you can take them to social media or somewhere, and you can start selling them and start making money with that. Now we see all the categories right here. We have plenty of them. You can go into CJ Affiliates and sign up and read them. It's free to sign up. It's free to sign up into all of these web pages. Again, you don't have to pay anything to sign up into this. You can start this business for free from your laptop or your phone. They have mobile versions, so you can do this from your phone. So let's take a look at this product right here, right? We have all the information that helps us identify if it's a good product or not. We're just gonna use it as an example, so we're just gonna pick it. We're gonna click on it. It's called Singorama, and it teaches you how to sing apparently. Now you should watch further videos to learn how to pick a good product. Not every product is good. In this case, the gravity is the number that will tell you if it's a good product mostly or not. But again, watch our earlier videos to learn how to pick the best product for you. Now use these tools to sell, right? So you might be selling on social media, you might be selling through YouTube, you might be making your own web page. So they have affiliate pages. All of these products have, or most of these products have affiliate pages with tools that would help you sell. What are these tools? They are banners, they're images, maybe some writing that they have done already, so that you don't have to come up with any kind of writing to sell it, right? So all of these tools are available to you to help you sell their products, so that they make money and that you make money. Now, if we go to YouTube and we look up Singorama, we see we have several examples on videos that talk about it. Some of the videos are made by them, some of the videos are made by other people, but if we go and open them, we are going to find that most of them will have that link on the bottom. Now, we're only going to see this example right here. We don't need to see all the examples that I opened, but we're going to click on this right here, and it's going to send us into Singorama, right? So we know that these people are making money through selling their that program. Even though that program is not something they created, they are making money selling it. Now, you can grow your catalog, and this is one of the best things that you could do, because if you grow your catalog, you're going to be able to pick better products, as I said earlier. So if we go to Shareasell, which is another great marketplace that you should sign up for, again, it's totally free as well. You can find a lot of very well-known brands, and you can help them sell their products and make money on it. And also, not only brands or clothing, but also services. And this is very important, because you can sell stuff that could be paying you for several months, right? Because people sign up to these things, and maybe they'll sign up for 3-4 months, and when they, or maybe years, and when they do, some of them keep paying you. So it's a very good way to not only make money on the moment, but also make money in the long run when you find this type of services like Canva and all of those other type of services. Now, make sure that you know what people are searching for. Make sure that you're looking for trending topics, right? Sometimes there are seasons of sports that are coming up that will help you be able to know what people are gonna buy, because people are expecting something to happen, right? So if we look for clothing as an example to see how people have been searching clothing, we see there was a dip right there, and that dip probably came with a virus. People stopped buying clothing. But if we look for hand sanitizer, we see that there was a huge spike on people looking for hand sanitizer. And even though it's not that high anymore, it's still higher than in other times before the virus, right? So we want to stay with the trending topics, so that we know what kind of products to look for and maybe promote, because if people have them in mind already and we give them something that's kind of related, they might be more inclined to buy it. So make sure you go into Google Trends and check what trending topics are out there. Now, also make sure that you look for all of your options through regular stores. Sears and Macy's both have affiliate marketplaces, so you could be selling their stuff as well, right? Home Depot, Best Buy, all of them. Also, other type of services like streaming services and games also have this type of affiliate programs that will help you sell or will allow you to sell their products and make an earning on the commissions. Make sure to check all of them out. Now, if you're gonna take this seriously, I also very much recommend you invest in professional guidance, not only in the form of money, but in the form of time. Go and check out tutorials, go and check out the Affiliates Club. The Affiliates Club is a webpage designed to connect business owners and course creators with affiliate marketers, so that they can both increase their income. It's very well recommended, and I recommend it personally. I think they have a very good program, and it's free to sign up. And again, it's time to invest your time and maybe even money on professional guidance through some kind of tutoring or some kind of teaching through someone from someone who's done this before and earned a lot of money. For example, here Andy Isom is giving this free masterclass training. He's made over $45,000 by posting free content online with very few followers and without his own product. So you can learn from him how to make this money, and you can learn from his mistakes without having to making them your own. And we think this is a very good business idea for 2020, because especially in 2020 it promotes staying at home and doing everything at home. It gives you the opportunity to be your own boss, and it gives you the opportunity to not leave your house. So make sure to check it out. I think it's a very good opportunity for you to make some money online. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you very much watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to support us, please subscribe to the channel. We're constantly uploading videos on new ways to make money online, and we thank you very much for watching. Take care.